As night falls, shadows begin to creep. A beast awakens, so powerful, ancient legends told us how its roar could start an earthquake. A jaguar. Even bigger than a mountain lion, moving under cover of darkness. Some have even crossed into Arizona. Many people doubted their existence in these parts. In October 2012, a big male was spotted just 40 miles south of Tucson. Most Americans have no idea that the biggest cat in the Western Hemisphere is lurking on their doorstep. The Wild West just got a lot wilder.